For the folks out on New York's Long Island, this blizzard could ultimately be the region's biggest snowstorm ever. Parts of the area may likely see 30 inches of snow before it's all said and done. Joining me now, Suffolk County Executive Ed Romaine. Ed, you got your hands full, clearly. Your county under a travel ban until 9 p.m. Talk about the conditions. How bad is it there?
Conditions are very bad. We got a lot of snow, somewhere between 24 and 30 inches of snow, depending on where you are. And the wind did not help. We've had and continue to have a lot of wind. You see some overturned trucks. You see a lot of problems if you're out. That's why we have a travel ban. People say, why do you have a travel ban? Well, at this point, at least in Western Suffolk, we've had 130 accidents on the road that have been reported to Suffolk County Police. The east end of the county has the 5 different town police. So I'm sure they've had their hands full. And things are actually worse as you move east. You have a lot of outages. The wind will not die down till much later tonight. You plow a road and you come back an hour later and it looks like you haven't plowed it because the wind has swept so much snow back on the road. So we're looking at all those things. We've had to cancel bus service today. The Long Island Railroad canceled service today. We will restore service tomorrow for buses. So this is a challenge. And we're meeting it, but a lot of people have a lot of difficulty, and we have some outages. And we have probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 4,000 to 5,000 homes without power. Many of them are on the East End. There's 4,000 alone in East Hampton, another 1,000, 1,500 in Southampton. So we have some major problems that we're dealing with. So does PSEG and LIPA, Long Island Power Authority, to get the power back on, which they can't do right away because with the wind, they can't put people up in buckets to try to fix some of the problems they have with their wires. This is a good reminder to LIPA. They should bury their wires, at least have a program every year to bury some wires. So over the years, most of the wires will be buried.
I want to ask you about some of the pictures that we put up when you were talking about trucks being overturned, and you mentioned the wind. Is the wind literally high enough that it's blowing things over?
Yes, particularly with the skiddy conditions and the icy conditions on the road, the wind can blow over vehicles, and you see some of it here. Now, earlier today, and I just came in, so forgive me because I'm trying to de-thaw. Earlier today, we heard a report from Montauk Lighthouse, and the guy right in the lighthouse, that the wind was blowing at 85 miles an hour. If that's true, that will set a record for Long Island.